Monster. Long walks in the park, playing fetch, sleeping, eating, bacon, and I like bacon.
Dave likes football, hiking, steak, going pantsless. I like going pantsless. Okay, so maybe finding your forever friend may not be that simple, but the Smith County Animal Shelter can help make your search a quick, easy, and inexpensive process. With a variety of breeds and sizes to choose from, we're sure you'll leave with your forever friend. Come see us today at 287 Fox Valley Road in 7 Mile Ford. Don't shop, adopt.